Welcome back, traders, to another installment of Nasdaq100 weekly highs, weekly lows, technical analysis. Now, I hope your trades have been going really well. Obviously, this is a midweek analysis. Market has given us a fantastic opportunity for us to jump on, and I hope you guys were able to seize that. I talked about it in my previous video. That opportunity definitely showed up, and I hope that obviously you was able to collect all of those amazing pips and all those points that we all love and care so much about. Now, if you're new to this channel and you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like. Now, with that covered, we're going to get into the business of the day. So in the last video that I did, we talked about the previous week's high and the previous week's low, and we also laid out an FVG of the previous week, which was over here, covering the Thursday and the Monday market structure. So hopefully you was able to see that, as well as the FVG that we took that derived from the hour, and as we can see, price nicely tapped into it and then moved away. So hopefully, I'm expecting, if you guys had been watching this video, at least you have an entry somewhere along this wick right here, and all this is all you're just sitting in all of that wonderful profit that you would have made for yourself. So now that we've gotten that bit out of the way, let's go into the analysis and let's see what we can see. So I'm going to keep everything on the day right now and just see if we can spot anything as it stands. And what we can see, based on what price is doing, is that it is heading all the way up. Now, one of the key areas that I'll be looking for is I want to know what it does at 21,600. I also want to know what price would do at 21,800. And I also want to see what price would do at 22k, right? I want to see these opportunities that price is going to give out. This is on a day, right? So chances are this move could go into next week, depending on what kind of data we get in regards to the NFP that will be coming out on Friday. So we're going to go to the hour and let's just see what we can see right now, if there's anything that we can use to help us if you haven't taken a position already. So let's take a look. So normally a structure like this will normally break down, but it looks like it's pushing up. So I might need to rejig this a little bit just to make sure that it makes sense in terms of what we're looking at, because sometimes these structures we do need to rejig them a little bit. So let's see what we got. Let me just bring this in a bit more and let's see what we got. So if I extend this all the way down here like so, and then I expand this like so, and then I drag this across like so, we can say around 924.1 could be a decent area for price to make a decision. The area I'm talking about is right here. Let's just say price wants to come up to this zone right here. Let me make this a straight line, make this white. Okay, let's have a look. I'm just trying to see if I can spot anything. Okay, do you know what? This level up here doesn't make much sense. It's just like a random level I've just put up there. So let's just do it this way instead. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this up to the top of this particular channel. And as it stands, right, if price continues on its trajectory to the upside, we're looking at the level from where it is right now to where it needs to get to. We're looking at, say, 4.79% move to the upside. Okay, now I don't really know if it's going to make it that far, in my opinion. I don't really know if it's actually going to make it that far. It could, right? And then we'll see what will take place. We have literally 2 more days. So we have Thursday and Friday for NFP to come out. NFP could definitely send price all the way back down. I'm not really going to focus too much in regards to the downside potential of market. We're just only going to focus on the upside potential of market right now, just because market is pushing to the upside. So we're just going to focus on that, and we're going to see what price is going to do once it reaches these levels. I think it's going to get there, right? I think it's going to get there. And in my personal opinion, I will also go and say this. I believe that the low of the week was actually set for us on Monday. So Monday would be the weekly low, according to what I'm looking at right now. I'm expecting price to go a lot higher in regards to where it is right now. And I would say that the Monday would be the low of the week. I will call it early. I could be right, I may be wrong, only time will tell. Now, going on to opportunities that market presented itself this week. That opportunity would have come yesterday around the hours of 1400, so that would be 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Obviously I'm in the UK, so it's going to be 2 p.m. for you. It could be different, but that's when we had this particular move where price came, tapped into that FVG that was created on a Monday, and then it began to move away from it. Now, in my hope, I hope that you guys saw this and you was able to tap in and ride it to the upside. So therefore, right now, you should all be profitable, especially if you put these on your charts. You would have seen that opportunity. If that didn't happen, don't worry about it. Market is always throwing out opportunities. So if you missed it this time around, hopefully you get it on the next time. Now, in terms of where I think everything is going to go, in all fairness, I couldn't actually give you that answer, because market currently right now is at an all-time high. So unless it's creating opportunities as it rise upwards, so we're talking bullish FVGs, okay, that it could tap into, so you could then join into the market and ride it to the upside, I would need it to do something else in order for me to catch a fresh new trend in the market. And as it stands, this is what we got going on at the moment. The Nasdaq100 right now, it is bullish and it's pushing upwards, and Friday all of that could change. So with all of this said and done, in regards to my overall sentiment as to what the Nasdaq100 is doing, right about now you should see 2 thumbs. One of them is going to be on the back testing 21 videos, go check them out, and the other is going to be on the previous video to this one. So whilst I leave you to go check those videos out, I will see you all on the next one.